Picture this: your auto repair shop in Plano, buried in the digital desert. No clicks, no calls, dead silence. Now, flip the switch. Imagine AI-powered local search turning the spotlight on you, instantly, like magic. AI doesn't just find customers, it knows what they want before they say a word. Engines need fixing? Your shop pops up as the hero every time. No more lost leads, just sales soaring. Here's the twist. This isn't sci-fi, it's happening now. And America's Best Shops is leading the charge in Plano, Texas. They cracked the code to digital dominance for auto repairs. Picture your phone buzzing nonstop, reviews pouring in, business booming 24/7. But why stop there? What if AI could predict trends? What services will explode next? What if you could get ahead of the curve and dominate the market? It's a game changer, and the road is open for those bold enough to take the wheel. So, are you ready to turbocharge your shop with AI, local search? Step into the future, or risk being left in the dust. What will you choose? Your business deserves the best. The question is, will you grow?